Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family.
My mom always told me everything happens for good. But not to people who just believe that, but to those who actually keep going, one foot in front of the other, step by step. Giving up is never an option. Strive, fall, get back up, keep moving, keep flying until you reach the horizon. Just keep telling yourself that you can and you will. Watch me. Because you are your only competition.
Here is the code which I want to tell each and every one of you in this particular session. And what is that code? It's nothing but everything you do now is for your own future. Just take a moment and think about that. Isn't it? जो भी करने वाले हो अपने लिए करने वाले हो और किसी लिए कर रहे हो नहीं अपने लिए करने वाले हो. So give your 100% right there where you want to do something. Come on guys, CBSE 10 boards are coming. You have to do it right. And this is the right time to do something about it. With one of the most interesting quotes to keep us motivated throughout the entire year. This is more relevant than actually studying. You have to be more motivated guys than actually learning something because you need motivation to learn. So what is it today? It says don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Each and every one of you guys might have a limit ki I can study only for 1 hour, I can study only for 2 hours in a day. Trust me, those all are just your state of mind. The more you practice to learn, the more you practice, the more you train yourself, that's how you become. So my dear students, see what you want to become and you will be that. Take care. Here is the code for everyone. I want everyone to understand this because this is your CBSE 10th board. More than academics, it's about being motivated and inspired continuously. Because if you guys are motivated, you become motivation for the future generations. Okay? So here is the code. Rise above the storm and you will find the sunshine. Okay? So take this CBSE 10th as a small chotu storm in your life. Rise above it and you will see the sunshine. Okay? तो इस बात को याद रखना. The code for today, which I want and I completely relate to this and I want you guys to understand is when you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. How many of you guys want to be the sunshine rather than finding the sunshine in your life? Tell me that. How many of you guys want to be the sunshine? Tell me that on the chat right now by saying balle balle. Awesome Soumya? Yes dude. Kya baat hai? Is it so Archit? Thank you so much. Yes you do. That's the spirit. That's the exact spirit. And my dear students, I'm here to help you be that sunshine. This is one of my favorite quotes. Minds are like parachutes. Why? Because they only function when they are open. So my dear students, open your minds out. Let them work. Let it flow and